Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download qBittorrent on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So now search here for the qBittorrent download. So now go to this first link. So now scroll down. So here you can see it is now showing for different operating systems. So as I am on the Windows, so I will select here for the Windows. So now click on this. So it is now redirected to the another website. So now click on this, download latest version. So it will start in few seconds. Just wait. So you can see here the downloading has been started. It is of just 41 MBs. Will take a few seconds to download. So let's wait till the downloading ends, and then I will show you the installation steps. So as you can see here, the downloading has been completed. Now double click it to launch the installer. If any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. Now select your preferred language. I am selecting here English. Click on OK. Now click on next. Next. Here you have to select the location where you want to install it. Then click on next. So here you can see it is now installing on my computer. It will take a few seconds according to the PC configuration, or can say specification. So here you can see it is now installed. Now click on finish. Now click on OK. So here you can see it is now installed on my computer. So this is how you can download qBittorrent on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.